In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS cutting out randomly. If OBS keeps dropping audio, freezing, or cutting out during a recording or live stream, don't worry. There are several simple things you can check, and in many cases, the fix is quick. We'll go through the most common causes in a clear order so you can test each one and find out what's actually creating the problem. First, restart OBS Studio completely. Close the program all the way, then reopen it. This can clear temporary glitches that build up during use. Once OBS is open again, test your recording or stream to see if the issue is gone before changing anything else. Next, check your audio devices. Open Settings, then go to Audio. Make sure the correct microphone and desktop audio devices are selected. Sometimes OBS is pointing to the wrong device, or a headset or microphone was disconnected and OBS didn't recover properly. If a device was unplugged, reconnect it and restart OBS again. After that, make sure your audio sample rates match. In OBS, go to Settings and then Audio and check the sample rate. It will usually be set to either 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz. Your Windows sound devices should use that same sample rate. If they don't match, you can get audio instability, sync issues, or random cutouts. It's also a good idea to update OBS Studio to the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes and stability improvements, so if you're using an older version, installing the newest release may solve the problem right away. Another common cause is high CPU usage. Close any unnecessary programs running in the background. If your system is under heavy load, lower your output resolution or frames per second in OBS. And if your computer supports it, switch to a hardware encoder like NVENC, AMD, or QuickSync to reduce the strain on your CPU. While testing, keep an eye on the OBS status bar. If you see a message like encoder overloaded, that means your system is struggling to keep up. In that case, lower your bitrate, resolution, or frame rate to stabilize performance. You should also disable audio enhancements in Windows. Open Sound Settings, select your audio device, open Properties, and turn off any enhancements. These extra processing features can sometimes interfere with OBS. Next, try running OBS as administrator. Right-click the OBS shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives OBS higher system priority, which can help with performance and device access. Also update your graphics and audio drivers, either through Windows Update or your device manufacturer. Finally, test with a new scene collection. Create a new scene with just one source. If OBS works normally there, one of your existing sources or filters is probably causing the cutout. Try these fixes one at a time, and you should be able to narrow down the cause and get OBS running smoothly again.